The first step is to use a nice bright yellow and use a sponge to apply this to the top half of the face. You want to avoid the eyelids if possible and also the area between the nose and the mouth. Then take an orange and blend this in all the way around the hairline and under the cheekbones. Next, apply some white all over the top lip and take it right up to the nose, and you also want to add a small amount above the eyes. Now, an optional step, if you've got enough time allowing, is to take a nice metallic copper or bronze and just apply it through a stencil to give everything a little bit more texture and detail. Using black paint on a number 4 round brush, I painted 2 lines coming from the inside corner of the eyebrow and extending up towards the temple. And then from these 2 lines, I just built up more and more tiger stripes. Now, with the stripes, the key to getting them looking spot on is to make sure that they are noticeably thick in one section and then they get thinner and thinner as you go. I added another group of stripes on the cheek just to fill in that space there, and then I went around and added dots and markings just to sort of give the design a bit more detail. For the nose, I painted in a solid line on the underside of my nose, and then I just used a fluffy brush just to soften it and blend it upwards. Then I connected the nose down to the top lip and just painted in the muzzle. I outlined the bottom lip with black, and then I added in a few little whisker dots on the sides of the mouth. I had a little bit of a gap on the cheeks there, so I decided to add in a few more markings to fill that up, and then to finish the bottom lip, I filled it in with gold and smudged it into the black outline. Then, as a little finishing touch, I just pressed on some loose gold glitter just to finish off that bottom lip. And that's it! Your lovely tiger design is finished! I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe because I've got lots more videos coming soon.